I just went to Dollar Tree and I got all of this for my kids and a lot more. I ended up getting this desk organizer since we are going to have an actual desk this year. I also got this. I know it says for locker, our filing cabinets are magnetic, so I figured I can have this there. I got them an apron each for when I would do arts and crafts. I got the girls these cute little gel pens. I also got the girls these scissors. I got a pack of rulers. It came with 3. And I got each of them like a little pencil pouch that they can have in their bag if we are out and about. I got the girls some sticky notes that they can use in their books. For Robbie, I ended up getting this. I thought it was really cool. We are learning our numbers and we're also learning how to tell time, so this was perfect for that. It also has all of the shapes, and then he wanted this Spider-Man notebook. We also have a treasure box, so I got Robbie this. I got the girls this body scrub. This one's peach. This one's lychee. I think that's how you say it. Robbie wanted this craft kit because he loves everything fall, just like me. I got this. We are going to learn about marine biology, but we are also going to learn about dinosaurs this year. Robbie really wants to learn about paleontology. I saw that and I did this perfect. I also got some sticky notes for me. I also got these. I got these rings. These are perfect for flashcards. I got the different paper clips. So this one has like different sizes. These are like the jumbo ones. I got some binder clips. Then I got the larger binder clips. I also got me some colorful pens. I use pens a lot, mainly to be able to explain different things. I also got these little cases. I wish I found more of these because these are perfect for flashcards, but I only found one, so I still grabbed it. Then these have the dividers, so I figured these are perfect for little activities that Robbie and I do that include like say marbles or buttons, things like that. I got 2 of those here. I got a whole bunch of craft stuff, so I got a whole bunch of pipe cleaners. These are really good for sensory and motor skills. I got these for Robbie mainly. I use it a lot for him to form the letters and the numbers or different shapes. I found these. I thought these were pretty cool. So I have this for whenever we do coloring. I bought some more paint. Yeah, that's everything that I got at Dollar Tree for my kids for homeschooling. I still have a few things that I still need to get. So I will probably be running over to Target or to Walmart. Dollar General has a little bit. Yeah, let me know, where do you go shopping to find all your school supplies? Don't forget to follow for more homeschooling, lifestyle, homesteading, and travel content. Note to self, this is not for big kids. This is like super tiny. Like, look. Look how tiny that is. I'm so mad. I got one for the girls, get one for Robbie, thinking they were all going to be bigger. What a fail.